Hello YouTube, today I got a motherboard where we have a jack that's broken, that looks like that, and that's from the Autel calibration camera. Not sure what Autel calibration camera is, but I quoted the client that is going to be 60 bucks for me to put a brand new connector like that into here. He told me, as long as you do a great job, and like I have done about 1,000 of this particular connector replacement in my life in the last 25 years of this particular connector only. I just didn't know what Autel uses this in that. I'm not sure what the camera does, what this thing is for, but if you need this part, you could buy it from the link below from our site. And I'm just gonna show you how to replace it here. If you want, you could send us just the motherboard. I will replace it for 60 bucks. All right, let me show you how to replace it. All right, so what I'm gonna do here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, right there. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add some flux. Somebody already tried to work on this before because I can see the burning. Then we're gonna add a little bit more solder, leaded base solder to mix the leaded base solder with the unleaded base solder. All right, like that, like that, and like that. Good job. Excellent. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some heat. Hot air to warm up the motherboard. Let's rotate it a bit more into like that. And I can see it starting to bulge. Like that. It doesn't want to go through because of this bulging in the plastic right here. So somebody overheated the whole thing prior to me working on it. Now the whole thing doesn't want to come out because the plastic prohibiting it from getting out. So we're gonna try and work it from this end. Okay, like that. And here we have a broken pin right there. We're gonna penetrate the soldering points a bit more. All right. We're gonna reduce the hot air. Gonna fill it up with the fresh solder. And the fresh solder we're gonna remove Like that. Okay, looks good. Looks good. All right, so we got a brand new piece right here. Uh-oh. Wait up. Ah, supposed to be like that? Everything seems nice and clear. For some reason, this part right here doesn't wanna penetrate the oh. Well, there seems to be some sort of remaining stuff in there, so let's clean it up. All right, where is the right there is the flux. It doesn't want to sit properly in that, so we're gonna make it sit properly. Okay, looks good. What I'm doing is I'm soldering from both sides, from the top side and the bottom side. That way it's gonna be nice and solid connection here. Good job, good job. Excellent, looks something like that. Here, let me show you under the microscope. Right there, beautiful. Beautiful. You see, everything is nicely soldered. Beautiful. All right, so that's done. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and you guys take care and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.